Alright, this is Tier 1, $3. Aja sent this one over. We're going to click it 9 times. Tier 1 baseball times 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Aja down to ABC mat 9 times. Okay. Jim Rice, 55 of 100, game used bat autograph. 55. Aja, you strike first. 235 of 399, Yadier Molina, game used jersey. Actually, Aja again. 382, Manny Machado. PDX Greg, you can have that one. Tim Hudson, 285. Damn, everything's going to Aja in the 5 hole. Just waiting for the camera to focus. Sometimes that takes a second, sometimes it takes 30 years. 285 of 300. Aja. Anderson Tejada, 300 of 300. Rookie autograph. Last one stamped. 157, Cody Bellinger. 157 of 325, game used jersey. And Andres Jimenez, 199 of 399, game used bat. I don't know if she's here or not, Zach Jack. Aja, are you here? I don't know. 159 on that one. Hey, this one feels like it has nothing in it. Maybe it's 3 autographs. Alberto Mondesi, 29 of 300. Bill Jam done doubled. Oh, it's a redemption. Bryce Harper, prime performer autograph. That's a nice one. Got to see what that's numbered to. And all cards are numbered in this, so it's numbered to something. 23 of 25, Torrey Hunter, dual game used jersey patch. 23. Yeah, that sounds good. Oh, it does. Let me see. What am I doing? What's going on? Where's it at? 2021 Tier 1 Baseball Checklist. Let's see what the prime performers are numbered to. Alright, featuring 2 autographs, prime performers are numbered to 300 or less. So probably 300. Base are 300 or less. So what would Bryce be numbered to? It says 300 or less for prime performers. It says for base, no parallel. This is the base version. I can do one last check and see if it happens to have a Bryce Harper on eBay. If not, I guess we'll just do 300 because we won't know unless it gets redeemed what they're going to number it to. 2021 Tier 1 Bryce Harper. Let's see if any have surfaced. There's gold prime. That's not it. That's digital too. I don't see any. I guess we're just gonna have to do it. Damn, this silver sold for 200, but it was numbered to 10. Silver 10. Is this redemption that we're doing? The last one sold for 132. I was trying to see if one was made. 15. 15. I haven't even worked out Skippy. I need to though. I still got the guns. You know that. Skippy. I'm just gonna do 300. Honestly, I don't know, guys. I don't see one on eBay. It just says 300 or less for the standard base prime performer, which this is the base version. Now, being a superstar, it could be less than that, but we won't know until it gets redeemed, and I don't see one on eBay, so I'm just going 300. Everybody will have an equal amount of shots either way. If it was 150, you would all have 15 shots. If it's 300, you all have 30 shots. If it was 100, you'd all have 10 shots. Either way, everybody would still have equal amount of shots. If it's 100. Now, only way you wouldn't have an equal amount of shot if it was numbered to like 15, which it's not. It would be paralleled then. All right. The original click was 9 times. I really wish I had that Juice Cave for real. The standing desk treadmill. Man, that would be sweet. I'd be in good shape because I just sit there and walk on it while I break. That would be sweet. You have to get another whole configuration over here though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, last one, 9. 46 of 300 or 150 or something. Either way, 46 is the serial number. All the way down to 9 times. And 46 was Chris Slaw. Got the redemption. All right, that's it. Thanks, everybody.